my name is Amy. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are eating Starbucks, but not just any Starbucks. A couple days ago was the beginning of fall, and I really felt it today. I went outside and it was nice and cool and not blistering hot. Fall is my favorite season, so today we have some fall things to eat today. So we have a pumpkin spice latte. This is decaf because I don't want to be like jittery all day. So I got decaf pumpkin spice latte. And we have, what is this? This is the bacon sandwich. So, this is the bacon, cheese, egg, croissant sandwich. And then the other two things are pumpkin spice. This is the pumpkin loaf. Oh. And it smells so good. Oh, it broke! Oh, man. Well, it broke, but I did ask for it warmed up, so it's my fault. Well, that's the pumpkin loaf. And my favorite thing that I get every year from Starbucks during the fall time. Oh, geez. It's the pumpkin muffin. You guys, this thing is the best. Oh, beautiful. She's beautiful. Okay, so, and I know they had a new item come out this year. It was the apple pie croissant. They were not selling it at my local Starbucks. I think I was too late to the game with this new apple croissant, which is weird because it is now fall time and now they don't have it anymore. But apparently it was a big deal. So if you've had the apple pie croissant, let me know if you like it. So apparently they don't sell it anymore. So let's have some of this coffee. Nice and warm. Oh, love it. Cheers. Oh, damn. That is like a warm hug. It's so good. You can taste the pumpkin, but it's not too strong. Oh my God. And if you guys can see, I am wearing another sweater. This is from Altered State. If you've never been in that store before, they have really good clothes. So let's try this croissant sandwich. Very good. You know what it needs? It needs ketchup. Let me see if I go up. Let me see if I have ketchup. Okay, I have some ketchup. We're almost out of ketchup, so need to get some. Let's try the pumpkin loaf. Oh, it's so soft. Oh. That is really good. Wow. And then let's try the pumpkin muffin. This is my favorite thing during the fall time, so cheers. So good. So, I have some ketchup here. We're gonna try it with the sandwich this time. Oh. Mm-hmm. Much better. This hits the spot. This is really good. So, I hope you guys are doing okay and amazing. I'm just letting you guys know now, I believe this might be my last video until we move. I have a feeling that we will be moving next week. Or I would like to move next week just because next week is October and our lease is like up in October 22nd. And you know, that's plenty of time to move, but I still would like to move the beginning of October would be ideal for me. So yeah, I also want to say thank you guys so much for commenting and subscribing lately. I have been noticing your lovely comments, so thank you. So yeah, so just let you guys know, if I haven't been posting for the next two weeks or so, I'm moving. So please, if you are subscribed, don't think that I've just like disappeared off the face of the earth. I'm moving. So yeah, yay! I really hope it's next week, and if it is, I'm so excited just to move and get it done. I'm just psyched. It's closer to my parents' house. It's closer to the city, which I like. Just living closer to my parents is just something I like, and it's comforting, and yeah, and I kind of living closer to restaurants and people in the city, and it's closer to work also. That also helps. Oh, there's that. This pumpkin loaf though, I really wanted to try the new pumpkin pie croissant, but whatever. so good. This makes me happy. So since it's the beginning of the fall season, I want to know down in the comments if you guys have a fall tradition. Any fall tradition whatsoever. I don't think we have one, to be honest. When I was younger, we would always go as a family to pick out pumpkins. Now that we're older, we don't anymore, but we used to go, oh man, well, when I grew up in Virginia, we would always go to like state fairs and pumpkin picking, and we lived in like pretty middle of nowhere Virginia, so there would always be like, you know, a state fair and apple picking and pumpkins and fresh donuts, stuff like that. Yeah, so I don't think we'll be doing any of that this year, but so good. But yeah, usually for me, fall time is, usually around Halloween time, we would get together as a family and sort of celebrate Halloween. I still have a younger sibling that still trick-or-treats, I guess. He is 14, so yeah, he could still trick-or-treat. Yeah, so there's that, and every year I have pumpkin spice coffee in the morning. I try to watch every Halloween-based movie every year, like Nightmare Before Christmas. I watch Coraline, The Corpse Bride, the classic Halloween movies. I do watch It every year. Even though It is scary, I don't like clowns, but it is a good Stephen King scary movie if you don't like clowns. So I do that. Yeah, just enjoy the fall weather before we get into the winter. Dark, cold, a little depressed, cold weather. It doesn't get that cold here though. And then in November, my dad turned 60. And my mom is throwing a party for my dad. So basically that whole week, I have 3 birthdays that celebrating. My mom's is November 4th, my dad's is the 7th, and then my brother's the 9th. So we're celebrating basically all of their birthdays, maybe just my mom's and my dad's, through that party. So that'll be fun. So yeah, that's what's going on in November. There are a lot of birthdays in November for my family. And then my boyfriend's is the 16th, so 4 birthdays. Basically, my brother spends his birthday with his friends or his girlfriend. So he doesn't really celebrate it with us, but we know it's his birthday and we say happy birthday. So there's that. So good. If you've never had the pumpkin spice latte, get it. So good. Even though it's decaf, still really good. Oh, yes, really good. One more bite, and then we'll end the video. Oh, yeah, so good. Well, you guys, I think that ends this video for today. Once again, thank you so much to all of you that have been subscribing lately. I really do appreciate it. This is not my full-time job, but this is my hobby, and I do love it. I really, really do. So thank you so much. Leave a comment down below and let me know what is your favorite thing to do around the fall time. What's your favorite thing to get at Starbucks if you go there? What's your favorite thing to watch during fall Halloween season? Leave a thumbs up if you guys like this fall video or this video in general. And excuse me, if you guys like these videos, please don't forget to press the big red subscribe button right over here or down below. So that just about does it. I will see you guys soon. Hopefully I'll be moved and situated the next time I upload a video. So thank you guys so much. I love you. Be safe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.